Sure do.
What's
Yeah,
up,
y'all.
guys?
It's your guy Sequoia.
What's up, guys? This your boy, White Collar.
What's up, gang squad?
It's a back ride.
Alright,
It's a
y'all.
back ride. Here's your back.
Gang.
What y'all gonna do for the clap the head? The clap.
Pull away.
Shh.
Everybody clap your hand. Side clap for the tonic. Oh yeah, y'all wanna check me out on Musically Koya 07 Slay Koya?
Y'all wanna check me out, Katie Carter? Yeah.
On
Kenny
Musically.
On Musically.
Y'all check me out on Facebook Sequoia Blink.
Make sure y'all get a thumbs down or
Comment. Thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs down if you don't. But we don't know what we're gonna do with our channel. We don't know what we're gonna do. It's probably gonna be alright, y'all. This how well not saying hit me one time. Dang, man, all the grits gone. Look at them grits. Them grits gone. The eggs gone and biscuits.
Losing.
And the sausages. Man, y'all ate everything. Man, your mom said don't ask her no more. Man, we want to pop some fireworks. They kept it. They kept like all the way. They kept like some grits. Hey. Kept.
But we'll see you next time.
Alright, you can hold the camera. Hey, Jip, why you got on some bubbles?
Okay, we're finna go. Where we finna go? In the room? Or bedroom or who?
I don't know. Come here, let me get my camera turned. Stop playing with it. Alright, y'all. Good Gucci flip-flops. It's a big watch. Diamond flipping off of blah. Hits inside when it turn notch. Alright, y'all want to see my room? Alright, let's go.
It's me, yo.
Man, y'all room right here. Y'all, this is room. This is bed.
Show my room.
I
Why would you do that?
I don't know, cause I did show your room. Alright, y'all, I'm finna show my room.
Hey, yo, that's my room right there.
I gotta go all the way back here. Shut up. Yeah, y'all. I'm just playing. This is his room. What room you want?
Huh?
What room you want?
I want Katie.
Alright.
I love Michelle room.
Alright, y'all. This is his room right here. His big old bed. That's his bed.
I got 2 beds, actually.
And y'all finna see my room. But my godmama and them, they just sleeping in right now. Cause they was tired. Y'all, that's my room. And yeah. But yeah. Guys, we might take a nap. Cause we the only ones that's woke.
Yep.
That's a shame.
Make sure you get a thumbs up or you don't like it, or a thumbs down.
But yeah, y'all.
Peace.
Wait. Peace. Hold it down here. No. Play the game, squad.